Okay, this is the Microsoft Excel, right, that we are all familiar with. The only difference is I actually zoom in so it's easier to see. Okay, now from the previous clip, okay, we already know that we can name a cell. Right, so if I do not want this particular cell to be called G8, I can give it a different name, which makes formulas a lot easier to read. Just an example. But beside that, I can actually not just name a single cell, but I can actually name a range of cell. Like for instance, this. So after selecting, all right, a range of cell, I can give it some particular name. Maybe okay, so BOARD for instance. Right, so I can give this a particular name, right, like this. Okay, so anytime I can actually go back to this particular name and select it, right, which is a nice little shortcut, right, especially if you are working on a particular range a lot.